Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So, Cardano, you can see that today it did wake up pretty much well. So we break out from this very long-term downtrend bear market. We did a wave 1 in yellow, we did a wave 2 in yellow, and now we are working on this third wave in yellow. That should bring us maybe around these levels here, near the new all-time or previous all-time high. Actually, let me go and label that and put a target for that. So this was the wave 1. Try to be the most precise I can. And this was the wave 2. I'm going to do 3. All right, so we're talking about $2.26.6 for this third wave. I can add maybe the 2x. All right, so these are the level that I'm looking forward. After that, we're going to have a 4 and a 5. I'm not even going to go and talk about these levels because that would be amazing, but let's start slowly. So first, and actually we need to be a little bit more conservative, so I'm going to add the, don't know why it's not there. Let me change the counts. Actually, not just diagonal, the other side. Okay, so 1.236. Let me enlarge this, extend it a little bit. So there you go. Okay, so $1.35. We have $1.63 and $2.22. So those are the level we can look for this third wave. And yeah, so we don't want to be too greedy on the target. Okay, so this is for that. Now if I zoom in a little bit, so we said wave 1, wave 2. Now I believe this was the bottom of the wave 2. We have an ABC for the wave 1. I mean, I can count this as wave 2 here, or we can put it here. If I zoom in a little bit, maybe perhaps, you know, the wave 2 was here. Let me check here something. Yeah, okay. And so if I go on the 4 hours now, if the wave 2 was here, this is a 1, 2. Let me maybe put it near. So we have a 1, we have a 2. And now we just did this explosive third wave. And more likely we're already initiated, as you can see, this pullback. Now it is hard because Cardano, it was very explosive. Yeah, maybe we can do an uptrend like this, and you can see that we already broke it. So this could be the first indication that maybe, you know, pullback is initiated. This is the first. Now if we go below this level here, so I would say, let me go on the 15 minutes, maybe we have a more. All right, so let me put, come on, horizontal ray. I'm going to say if we go below 56.6, to me it's a crystal clear sign, or second sign that, you know, we're actually doing that pullback. I'm gonna move this around a little bit. Okay, my 15 minutes, that's maybe too much. So as you can see, it just happened. So you can even only have one candle or two, but these are the levels now that I'm looking forward for this pullback. Let me recenter it maybe a little bit. Okay. So once again, we did reach the 2x. So I'm going to erase these levels. So we did the 2x, excellent. And these are the levels now that I'm looking forward. So it's 55.3, 50 cents, and 46. For sure, well, you know, usually it is not going to do that into one shot or something like this. So I am expecting something more like an A, a B, and ideally a C. Now, depending on the momentum, if he has a strong momentum, maybe he's going to just make a pullback of the 0.236, or ideally we want wave 4 to go the 0.382 at 50 cents. That would be very neat. So once again, what can we do if we want to scale into ADA? Well, one way to do it could be, because this is not financial advice, it's you can just do a triangle, and if price reach the first target, you scale in a little bit. If you reach the second one, you get more, and then here should be the level where you scale in the most. And the reason is because if we go substantially lower than this level, then you can scale out, so your risk is very start to be minimal, but yeah, the potential gain is much higher. Now, depending on the deepness of this fourth wave, after that we can yeah, estimate the target for this fifth wave in yellow. For the moment, what can I do? If I say that this was a 1-2 and this is the third, I can take from the beginning of the first wave to the third one, made an estimation that maybe perhaps we go at 0.5, and I take the wave 1 to wave 5, 1 wave 3. So you can see that the 0.382 already done that. So the next logical target would be 72 cents. And let me, this little guy, I'm going to take it out. And since it was explosive, I'm going to put two levels higher. So we are talking about 77.8 and 1-to-1 ratio, and that would be very crazy. That would be 85.3. But yeah, ideally it's we're talking about 0.618, so we're talking about 72 cents. When we're going to get this fourth wave, I know that a lot of time we can take the length of the wave 1 and add it at the wave 4, but then if we do a substantial deep correction, then it wouldn't work at all. And so if we do that, maybe even if I do the 1.618, it's going to become pretty much inconclusive. Let's check just for the, if we go, you can see that it's not really working out. What did I want to do here? Maybe for wave C. Yeah, you see, if we go so low, the first wave wasn't crazy, and even if I had the 1.618, I'm sure we're not even matching the third wave. So this way of calculating now, because of the explosion and the length of the wave 1, we cannot use. So it's only really adding the first and the third wave, and after that put it on the end of the fourth wave, that we can estimate the next target. Okay, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys. So once again, this is it's an estimation. Actually, you know what, let me take it out, because we don't have any sign. Well, I mean, wave 4 barely started, if even it started, because this third wave can even extend, right? It could go, like here it went higher, and then it went on the side, and then it continue. So it could be very possible that, we went higher, we go on the side, we continue a little bit, and then it continue to go higher. So don't expect Cardano for this third wave to be finished. We have one small micro counting sign that is breaking out, but if I would have done the same thing of this uptrend here, yeah, it would have broke, but as you can see, we're going horizontal. Now, okay, we did had a deeper pullback here, which we didn't have here, but we're using that as a support for a moment. So the key really is to look at the 56.6 level. If we go below that, expect that's a beginning of a correction, and you can see that it's so near, right? Because 55.3 is our first Fibonacci retracement. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.